Hybrid Immobiliser fit. This is a Halo Mini on a 2021 Nissan QashQai hybrid. Customer's also gone for analog immobilisation as an upgrade. So how it works, when they leave the vehicle, open the door, we get 2 flashes from the full beam and the system's active. So now if a thief done a relay attack, went to start the vehicle, it's just not going to start up at all. They're going to get a key fault, but that clears on a correct start. So to start it correctly, foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop their code in, we get a flash from the full beam, turn the car off, foot on the brake, start it up, vehicle fires up. If the customer wants to change the code on this, ignition on, prove that it's them with the code, get the flash, now press the accelerator 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get a double flash, it's ready to learn. So we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, turn the ignition off. 1 flash confirms the code. So now next time they get in the vehicle, ignition on, 1, 2, 3, flash, ignition off, and start. Once again, this is the Halo Mini. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 if you want to get one of these fitted. This also has service mode. So the way it works, when the customer gets in the vehicle, want to take it for a service, they'll get in, do their code. On the last digit, they'll hold for 15 seconds and they'll get 5 flashes. Now it's in service mode. So this is just a normal vehicle now. When it goes to Nissan for a service, just give them the key and it's going to start up like a normal car. No need for a code. When you get it back, ignition on, pop your code in like before, hold the last button. 15 seconds later, you're going to get a flash that confirms it's come out. There we go, we've got our flash. System's now active when we open the door. To get one fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Mini.